Welcome to this tutorial video about ChatGPT data cleaning in Excel. A note before we get started. Anything we cover today may change tomorrow, or it might have changed right before today. We need to be flexible and adapt. This tutorial uses GPT 4.0. You will not be able to complete this tutorial with GPT 3.5. Microsoft Excel 365 for Windows was used to create this tutorial. Excel for Mac and Excel for Web both work for the steps in this tutorial. You will need to download two files from http://tiny.cc/ai-files. You will need to download pdf.pdf and cleaningdata.xlsx. Using ChatGPT for data cleaning, you can upload an Excel file or PDF, and ChatGPT can extract and transform the information and output it into an Excel file format. Here's a screenshot of a PDF file. We are going to upload the PDF file to ChatGPT and have it output an Excel file following some specifications. The file has a spelling error in the word communications, so we also want to see how ChatGPT handles that. Start a new chat, and in the ChatGPT message box, type output an Excel file using the information from this PDF. Create 5 columns of data. Column 1 should have the header category of government with general government in each row. Column 2 should have the header date with the date in each row. Columns 3 through 5 should use existing headers from the PDF. Don't press enter yet. Click the paperclip icon to attach the PDF file. Navigate to the PDF file and click open. Once the PDF file is loaded, press enter. ChatGPT explains what it intends to do in steps and then proceeds with creating the Excel file. When ChatGPT is finished, click the link to download the Excel file. When you see the file in your Downloads folder, click on it to open. Here is the file that ChatGPT created. It has some problems. It is missing some rows of data and looks like it tried to combine some rows of data. On the plus side, it automatically corrected the spelling error in the word communications. Let's go back to the ChatGPT message box and continue the chat by giving it further instructions. In the message box, type output the file again, but be sure to include all the rows of data. Do not combine the data. We don't need to upload the file again, just press enter. ChatGPT responds that it has a clearer view of what we're trying to accomplish and that it will proceed with creating the Excel file again, this time ensuring all rows of data are accurately represented across the specified 5 columns. Click the link to download the updated file. This time, ChatGPT got it right. ChatGPT can also clean spreadsheet data. Now let's upload an Excel file and have ChatGPT clean and transform the data and output a new file for download. This is the Excel file cleaningdata.xlsx. We have 4 columns of data containing the name of an employee training, the date of the training, and the names of the employees who have completed the training. Start a new chat and click the paperclip icon to upload the Cleaning Data Excel file. Navigate to the Cleaning Data file and click Open. Once the file is uploaded, type the following prompt in the message box. Using the attached Excel file, create 3 columns: name of training, date of training, name of employee. Show the first 5 rows on screen. Output the Excel file for download. ChatGPT returned the first 5 rows as requested so we can preview the results. Click the link given by ChatGPT to download the file. Here we have the file downloaded and open, and we can see that there are some problems. Column C has some empty rows of data, and column B could be formatted better. Continue the ChatGPT chat by typing output the file again, eliminating any rows that do not have the name of an employee in column C. Also, format the date of training column as DDMMYYYY. ChatGPT responds that it has filtered and formatted the data. Click the link to download the revised file. The new file fixed columns B and C. Okay, that's it. We are done. This video was created and narrated by Dr. Wendy Tietz. Have a great day.